Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different kind of haul. So this is a gift haul. And I don't mean like I went to Rue 21 and bought gifts. I mean that these were gifted to me. My nanny took me and my two sisters to Rue 21. They were having a huge sale. It was buy one get one, so we all went together and we picked out some stuff we wanted. We was really interested in the boots that they have available there, but they were really picked over because the sale had been going on, and so I ended up not getting boots. But she did buy me a pair of beautiful, like a maroon burgundy pair of boots with fur in them at Kmart, she said. And she's never been good about keeping gifts until Christmas or birthdays or anything like that. If she buys you something, you're literally getting it. My mom is the same way. Like, you'll get it right away. Just know that you got something for your birthday or Christmas or whatever occasion, and you got it early. But just know that you got it. So I will insert a picture of my beautiful boots. That type of shade is totally my thing, and I love them. I love them. She couldn't have picked out a better boot, I wouldn't have picked out a different boot, honestly. So we are very alike. So moving on, I only got 4 items. I'm not a big fan of their clothing, so no clothing. They do have perfumes and makeup, so that's what we got. First up, I got one of their little Rue. All these are Rue perfumes, but this one is the sweet one, and it's infused with caramelized sugar, white petals, and vanilla, and it says for love and popularity. I don't know about the popularity part, but the love, definitely. I am in love with the scent. It's so nice, and everything about it screams like my signature scent from like high school. I was always wearing like a vanilla sugar or something like that, white gardenia, and definitely vanilla, like I said. Anything vanilla sugar and white gardenia. So this is totally me. And this was $10, $9.99. Comes in this cute little box. It's a nice big bottle for the price. And this lingers quite a long time on your skin. Get 2 ounces for $10. And they a lot of times have sales, especially around this time of year. And these were buy one, get one. So that is definitely awesome. Okay, and then I picked out the blush by Rue 21, and I was indecisive about this one and the pink ice one that they have. Now this one's 1.7 fluid ounces, and it was $12.99. And I think these are impressions of other perfumes, kind of, but I'm not entirely sure. But that's what that packaging looks like. Isn't it so adorable? And this one also lingered a long time on the skin. You can always, like, sometimes you can buy knockoff perfumes like this at retail stores like Rue 21. They won't linger or anything. Pretty impressed for $13 and $10 with the staying power of these. It is pretty impressive, you guys. I would highly recommend checking out their perfumes, and yes, they smell so good. Like I said before, most everything in the store was buy one get one, so these palettes were as well that I picked out. Mine only rang up like $22 altogether, and I got 2 perfumes and 2 makeup palettes. So the first palette I picked up, I debated back and forth between this and a palette called Mixtape, which was very beautiful. A lot of their palettes were beautiful. So this was the last one of this palette here. It's from Color Company, and it's called Next Dimension Glow. And the packaging is like a matte holographic. I know the camera's not picking it up, but it's really awesome. $9.99 on this palette. This is the palette I got for free. Magnetic cardboard packaging. It has a mirror in there, and it has these highlighters, which we all know you can use these for your eyes as well. They are multi-dimensional, and you get 6 in here, and I already swatched some of these and they are so nice and soft, really pigmented for the price and where they actually came from, you know. And I'm going to insert some pictures of this and some swatches real quick. And last but not least, I know it's a little long-winded, thank you for staying with me, but I'm really excited about these products. This is the first time getting any palettes and perfumes from Rue 21. I'd only been in there once prior, so, you know, we just went to check out the sale and found some cool stuff. So this is from the W7 brand. I don't know, this palette's called On the Rocks Neutrals on Ice, and it's an eye color palette. Now I did read on the back this is from a London company, War Paint London. So this was $10. Magnetic packaging, cardboard, does have a mirror. And this palette I had to get. It comes with a little brush as well, but it reminds me of one of those high-end palettes. I will insert the name here. But these eyeshadows, upon swatching them a little bit, they are so nice and creamy. This one has mainly mattes in there, and I am just in awe of this palette. And yes, it screams fall, but I just had to have it. Had to. It's gorgeous, and I just can't. Oh man, they had so many palettes to choose from. It was so difficult to choose. This is what my nanny got me for Christmas, basically, even though I picked it out. And I hope you guys are having happy holidays, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. And I hope you will stay tuned for more videos. This may be posted after Christmas, but it just is what it is. I pre-filmed so many holiday videos that I have to get them out for you guys. And I hope you guys have enjoyed them. And definitely stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like the video, comment if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you don't miss any of those videos. Thank you always for watching, and happy holidays.